Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AppsTechademy. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into your Reddit account using the Reddit mobile application on your smartphone. So in order to get started, first of all, download the Reddit app on your device and launch it open. Once you're in the home page of Reddit, go to the top right corner and tap on your user profile picture. Now click on Sign Up/Login option. Here, you can easily create an account to continue if you don't have one, or you can also go ahead and sign in with your existing Google account, Apple account, or with your email. I'm gonna tap on Continue with Email. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your email address. Go ahead and do that and tap on I agree at the bottom if you want to receive emails about cool stuffs on Reddit. If you don't want to do that, uncheck the box and tap Continue. On the next page, you'll need to verify with the 6-digit code that will be sent to you via email. Open up your email inbox and enter the verification code that has been sent to you. Right after that, you will be logged in to your Reddit account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.